वेलकम टू कौन है लोग. दिस इज निखिल
अनंत.
एंड गेम बहुत सिंपल है बेसिकली कि हमारे ऊपर जो लोग है, आदमी है, औरत है, आई डोंट नो, विल सी. तो वी हैव टू गेस हु इट इज एंड द ओनली वे टू डू इट, वी हैव टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू फर्स्ट.
बेसिकली आदमी है औरत.
इट्स अ मैन.
आई मीन was he a man like from the birth or basically
I mean there is speculation there, but if you ask anyone रास्ते पे जाके they would say he's a man. He's a man
Indian?
and man. हाँ. Like
Indian?
Indian, yes.
Karan Johar?
No. Okay, forget that. Forget transgender or whatever. That's not a thing. That's not a thing.
That is misleading, why?
No, that is. It's a man. Okay, it's a man.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he's an actor, comic, singer,
None of those things.
politician.
Politician, yes.
Okay. Maharashtra-based politician or
Not from Maharashtra. No. I would. Some people would say he's not even from India, but that's a different thing.
Rahul Gandhi? That was so easy, why? That is so easy.
All right. Man or a
नहीं
woman?
जमेगा. It is impossible.
Man or a woman?
Man.
Indian?
Huh?
Indian
Yes.
man. All right. Do you like this man? No.
No.
Does like people like him in general or no?
I mean they do, but
Acha, political man.
no.
Acha, not political. Actor.
No.
Social media influencer.
Kind of.
Is he
He
infamous?
is like a social media influencer, and you can now he's turned into an actor. So yeah.
Okay, so he was a social media influencer,
हाँ.
but he's Deepak Kalal. No,
No. दीपक कलाल एक्टर का है भाई.
he's not an actor.
No.
अरे he अच्छा, but वो लेटेंट में था ना, I thought कि I don't know. अच्छा ठीक है, anyway, forget. So एक इन्फ्लुएंसर है, but जो अभी एक्टर है.
He turned into an actor influencer. पहले वो था नहीं.
He turned
He
into an
started
influencer
his
actor.
journey differently, मतलब अलग. Entertainment profession में ही, but अलग इसमें.
Okay, is he infamous?
He is famous. He gets beaten up a lot.
अच्छा, he gets beaten a lot. Comedian? No,
Huh?
he's a comedian. Kunal Kamra.
No.
Okay, is he like a new comic or something, or is it old comic?
He's old comic.
Old comic.
Not very old, not very new. He started at around 16.
But मैंने देखा रहेगा क्या उसको?
Obviously, I know you hate
Everyone
him.
has seen.
I know you hate him.
I hate him.
I just know you hate him.
मतलब गंदा फेस है क्या इसका बहुत? ये जो आदमी, इसका बहुत गंदा फेस है.
I don't like him. That is the problem.
No, but like is he hated for his comedy कि उसका फेस ही गंदा
He
है?
is hated for his comedy by specific group of people.
Political people.
हाँ.
Is he on the right or on the left?
Obviously, left supports left. How many
So
left-leaning
this-
comics who get beat up that you know of?
अरे यार.
Well, let's make it easy.
हाँ.
He went to jail as well.
He went to jail as well.
बहुत कम comedian जेल गए हैं.
अरे यार, कौन गया था जेल को? Fuck. He went to
I had
Indian
to.
jail.
Yes.
When he went to which jail?
If I'm not wrong, just around before the pandemic.
Before the pandemic.
हाँ. It was either before or just after like the
Do
first
you know
phase.
this person?
Everyone knows him. He was in Big Boss as well. How many comics do you know जो Big Boss गए थे?
How many comics do I know जो Big Boss गए थे?
मैं और easy करता हूँ. He did a religious joke.
He did on which religion?
Hindu religion.
अच्छा because he's on the left, obviously हिंदू पे ही क्या रहेगा?
हाँ.
हिंदू, वो जोक की वजह से जेल में गया वो. How do I not know this?
और एक ही कॉमिक है. It is not even like there are a lot of comics जो जेल में.
Oh, मुनावर फारूकी. मुनावर फारूकी. Oh yes. Oh my God, that took a while, but okay.
Exactly.
All right.
He's a horrible person to explain. बिल्कुल मेरे को ठीक नहीं लग रहा है जो भी मेरे साथ हो रहा है वो.
This is next level shit. Oh my God. Okay, you go ahead first.
सेम ही क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा मैं. इंडियन या बाहर क्या कोई है?
Indian, but no one wants him to be Indian, but he's Indian.
अक्षय कुमार.
Doesn't Akshay Kumar has a Canadian passport?
He had.
Had.
वो इंडियन हो गया ना अभी लास्ट इलेक्शन के टाइम.
अच्छा. Oh.
अरे जो उसने बोला है वही है भाई.
But हाँ, yes, please carry on.
Politician,
No,
comedian.
I mean people think of him as one, but he's not a comedian.
कपिल शर्मा.
If you look at him, if you see him na, you would laugh, but you won't laugh. He's not known for his comics.
Sunil
or
Pal?
comedy.
दीपक कलाल.
Deepak Kalar, no.
Okay.
Although that is a good thinking. Deepak Kalar is a good thinking.
वो सब करता है गटर में सो के वो सब.
No,
आई डोंट इवन नो द गाय भाई. वो मेरे फीड में आता रहता है भाई.
but it's same category in a way. But not as disgusting as that, but it's same category. So that line of thinking is good. Deepak Kalal, that guy who eats shit. And then, and then there is one more person. No. He doesn't do bad stuff.
Okay.
But you would classify him in the same category of
Okay.
influencers. हाँ.
So बॉलीवुड में काम करते हैं.
Did he? No.
So इन्फ्लुएंसर है बेसिकली.
I mean, yeah.
So नॉर्थ इंडियन, साउथ इंडियन, महाराष्ट्रियन,
I'm very confused. What is that?
चाइनीज.
No. Some would say, but no. It's very, I don't know how to classify it. It's very hard.
This is wild. So he's like influencer.
He automatically got famous in a way. Like he was not trying to be famous, but वो हो गया famous.
वो बंदा वो अमेरिका क्या कर लेगा वाला.
No, but good
वो तेरे
call.
पॉडकास्ट पे आया था ना.
Good, yes.
एपिसोड 5th और
plug,
6th
plug.
समथिंग. नीचे
Plug.
लाइन डाल देंगे हम लोग लिंक वगैरह सब कुछ.
But that is a good line of thinking again.
Oh,
Think
right.
of that space. Think of that space.
भाई उस स्पेस में हर हफ्ता नया कोई आता है.
No. This guy you can't miss.
Okay.
He's जैसे गौतम सिंह जो है अमेरिका क्या कहता था. He
हाँ,
stayed
हाँ,
in
हाँ,
news
हाँ.
for a year
हाँ.
ना. This guy also stayed in news for a year or in memes. अच्छा, he became famous
हाँ,
like
thank you.
1.5 year ago maybe. I will not tell you the party of the politician.
He is a politician.
No.
Okay,
Wait,
हाँ.
nah. Okay, so let's say there are 5 10 top politicians in India,
Okay.
right? जिनके सबको फेस पता है.
हाँ.
उनमें से एक का जो प्रोफेशन था, वो इसका अभी प्रोफेशन है.
चाय वाला है.
But who?
I only know one चाय वाला. And I love him. Just to clarify.
But who is the other chai wala?
एक मिनट. This is
I'll
crazy.
tell you. I'll make it easy. This guy made a reel with.
इतना ज्यादा सफर करने वाला हूँ मैं अभी. ये सेंटेंस मेरे मुंह से निकलेगा ना अभी जो मैं कहने वाला हूँ. क्या मैं डॉली चाय वाला हूँ. It's horrible.
Oh my god. Okay.
This is worst. फोटो भी नहीं देखना है मुझे. वो ऐसी आंखें बंद करूंगा फोटो लेके जाना. जब आएगा तब देख लूंगा वीडियो में. This is horrible.
Okay. Man or a woman?
मैन.
Real man, fictional.
नहीं रियल में.
Indian?
हाँ.
Actual Indian or wants to be Indian?
Actual Indian.
Cricketer.
नहीं.
Actor. Famous actor.
He is famous in एक कंट्री में बहुत फेमस है वो.
Oh, is it one of the Khans?
No.
अच्छा, तो it's not एक country. Okay, I just went to Saudi
कभी
Arabia.
गेस नहीं कर पाएगा तू. Because he is famous in a very random ass country. ना.
But I think that is very specific. Let me ask you a different question, right? So this guy is famous, but he's not as famous as Khans, right?
No, not
So
even
if
close.
Khans are 10,
He is
Is
-1.
अरे
But hot daughter.
hot daughter. Oh, okay.
I made it easy. इतना तो
Is
मतलब
it
easy
one
नहीं
of the
है.
Pandays? Chunky Pandey, right?
This is
ये
horrible
daughter
यार.
बोला तो समझ गया ना मेरे को.
Shit, man.
That was easy.
बहुत सारे लोग की hot daughter है. Man, woman, not.
As manly as anyone can be.
That's crazy. Rock. Okay, Indian?
No, not Indian.
So American.
Not American.
British.
No, are you going to list all the
Putin.
180 countries? Okay. I saw that reel of
मैंने नहीं देखा भाई. Just randomly guess किया. American, British सब खत्म हो गया था. So it was either Putin or Netanyahu. So I just said
people
Putin
are
start
going
में.
to think this was scripted.
Should have said Netanyahu first because I had that whole joke was Netanyahu, please help me. That whole thing that's going on in the internet.
Netanyahu, my land is occupied.
Exactly.
Politician.
नहीं, I don't think he was ever a politician.
Oh, Indian?
Indian.
Indian, but not a politician. Alive?
Yes.
Do you want him to be alive?
I don't have any problems with him.
Okay. Do people have problems with this guy?
A lot.
A lot. Politician नहीं लेकिन
नहीं.
actor है,
नहीं.
influencer,
No.
cricketer.
No.
What else is there? Is he a respected profession?
मतलब प्रोफेशन इज रिस्पेक्टेड, ही इज नॉट.
अच्छा, okay. Oh, is he a podcaster?
नहीं, क्या कहने वाला
I
था
thought
तू?
रणवीर अलावादिया.
तू तो इन्फ्लुएंसर में आ जाता भाई
अरे
पॉडकास्ट
हाँ, okay, okay, fair. तो business.
हाँ.
अच्छा वैसे okay. Is it one of the AI guys?
नो.
Not an AI guy.
नो.
Zomato वाला बंदा.
नो.
Okay. क्या नाम है Zomato वाले बंदे का वैसे?
दीपेंद्र गोयल.
हाँ, दीपेंद्र गोयल.
I don't know.
I use your app a lot.
I don't know.
If he's watching, but anyway.
स्विगी
he's
का
not
बेटा
watching.
डिलीवरी.
No.
गेट बैक इन द गेम.
No.
समोसा तेरा स्विगी से आया है,
अरे
जोमेटो पे
यार.
बनता डिलीवरी, ठीक है?
No, no. Zomato is the goat.
जोमेटो पे नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर
Zomato is the
ठीक
goat.
है. तेरा समोसा स्विगी से लेके आया हूँ मैं अभी, सो
That is okay. That's an
हाँ,
exception.
ठीक है.
But okay, this guy is a tech guy.
नहीं.
अरे Ambani.
नो.
But is he
अंबानी तो है
Adani?
भाई टेक में. नो.
Ambani is everywhere.
एग्जैक्टली. अडानी इज एवरीवेयर एज वेल.
हाँ, I mean wherever
हाँ,
government
फिर
wants
भी
it.
वेपन्स भी.
Oh yes, weapons as well. Okay, but is he in the same league as Ambani and Adani? Is he as rich as them or no?
I don't think now he is not. He was once in that league.
Oh, and he does not live in India currently, right? Vijay fucking Malla.
The king of good times.
Yep.
Yes, let's go.
In Great Britain.
हॉरिबल फोटो था भाई.
She is doing you dirty, okay? This
तुझे पता चलेगा ना तेरे सर पे कौन है, तू भी सेम चीज करेगा. You will kill yourself.
Deepak Kalal.
Similar kind.
Oh, as bad as Deepak. Male, right? Female. That fucking singer. What's her name, yaar? And so
She is everything.
she's everything.
She is everything. She can do absolutely
So you're not
everything.
Dinsar Pooja.
No.
Okay. But
Wow. You just went in
good guess. Now, you said
2016
Deepak
vibe.
Kalal. I said Dinchak Pooja. ठीक है sir. Woman.
हाँ.
Influencer. Oh, wait, white. Not as in white as a complexion, but like fair.
क्या फोटो में तो
Is
fair
she
है भाई.
known for wearing crazy clothes?
I know what you are about to say, but no.
Urfi Javed, no? Did she appear on India's Got Latent?
Yes.
अरे यार उसका नाम क्या है? With the big lips and everything, I know. अरे यार उसका नाम क्या है? She appeared on Latent ना?
हाँ.
In a yellow dress.
वाह, इतना डिटेल नहीं याद भाई मुझे.
अरे यार what's her name? अरे okay. Is she followed by Samarena? Samarena follows two people. Rakhi Sawant. Oh, that is.
You should see the photo I used.
It is horrible.
Okay, this person is not as bad as this person.
But Indian.
Yes.
So obviously famous. That's the whole point. And
Famous, but if you ask me ना क्यों किसके लिए famous है, I won't be able to tell you.
that is just weird. So influencer.
On the surface लोगों को पता है कि he's an influencer. In a way. But he got famous. No one knows why. Right? But सुनना.
So he got famous without doing anything.
But he did something like he provided certain people something कि जिसके वजह allegedly by the way कि जिसके वजह से वो famous है.
This is about to be very easy
See.
if I am right.
हाँ.
Aryan Khan.
No.
मुझे लगा
it's not
drugs
like
दिए थे उसने
I
लोगों को
thought
उसके,
you were-
हाँ.
But that is a good area.
Okay, drugs का ही एरिया है.
I mean, half of the stuff allegedly is drugs. Let's say कि 10 लोगों को अगर पूछे तो 8 लोग बोलेंगे इन्फ्लुएंसर, पर 2 लोगों को पता है कि he is not a really influencer. He provides people drugs. Allegedly. इसलिए तो allegedly. I don't want any cases ना.
I am assuming इतना सब जो कर रहा है that means मुंबई का ही कोई होगा. Obviously, एजाज खान. नो हाँ
Not a Khan.
ड्रग्स कौन प्रोवाइड करता है भाई एलिजेडली
Allegedly. Always say allegedly. Otherwise, 2 FIRs loading.
इज ही अ पॉलिटिशियन
No.
भाई दिस इज सो इज ही
I
ऑलवेज
need to start with the start.
Ori.
ना? Ori.
और
मेरे को लगेगा you'll ask कि man or woman. I'll say I'm not sure. Cause like
और ही
और is the man भी नहीं बोल सकते. Interesting photo.
इंडियन सो इंडियन
Yes, Indian. Born and
सो
raised.
मैन वुमेन
Man.
एक्टर
Actor.
like mainstream actor and nothing else.
हाँ, he's known for acting only.
Is like good acting or
यार
like,
अभी that is very controversial statement to make, but see, okay. So if you ask a certain group of people, they will say he's a good actor, and the certain group of people will say कि no,
Salman?
नहीं. That is a good guess, but
that's
no.
basically everyone in Bollywood.
हाँ वो भी है यार in a way. ठीक
Yeah,
है,
no
चल,
one is
ask
like
more
a good
questions.
actor, okay.
Ask more questions.
So he's one of the Khans.
No.
So that will be very easy. तो दो ही बचते हैं जो फटाफट गेस हो जाता है. अक्षय. I don't know why I'm going back to Akshay Kumar. Just keep it by.
Leave him alone.
Leave him alone.
Ask more questions.
हाँ. So man, so actor.
Not
So he's
group
like
as
a
in
young,
people.
young.
He's
Like
not
a
young.
New actor or like.
Not new. Not new. You ask questions ना मैं क्या तुला I'm not going to serve anything
Do
on a
you
silver
think?
platter.
मतलब do I think he's a good actor?
you don't think he's a good
So
actor.
I absolutely hate him.
I
basically.
also don't. मैं hate नहीं करते रहेगा. But you won't think like oh my god give him a Filmfare award जब Filmfare award used to be.
But
you know-
उसको मिला है फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड.
यार मेरे को नहीं पता यार. I
I
don't
hate
watch.
Kartik Aaryan. If it is
No, it's not
Aaryan,
Kartik Aaryan.
हाँ.
I young नहीं बोला ना मैंने. I
अच्छा.
mean Kartik Aaryan is
He's
not
not
young,
young,
though,
why?
but he like young people. That's a
Okay.
different thing.
2 मिनट के लिए रेफरेंस नहीं पकड़ा. Okay. Okay.
Who is he? He doesn't need to make movies. He wants to make movies. But people will not give him that many movies.
That is crazy भाई.
He doesn't need to do it for the money. If that is a clue.
Oh, okay. So he's like born rich type rich.
हाँ. He's born rich.
So family money.
Family money. You're
Ranbir Kapoor?
Right. I mean, right direction, but not Ranbir Kapoor.
But Ranbir Kapoor is a good
Come
actor.
on. That is... Okay.
So I am
ask
so
more
close.
questions.
क्या? Shit है ना. Arjun Kapoor.
No. That is a good guess,
That
but
is a
it's not
good
Arjun
guess,
Kapoor.
sorry.
But
So one of the Kapoors.
no, not a Kapoor.
Saif
Not a
Ali
Kap-
Khan.
Eh, no Khans, no Kapoors, okay?
No Khans, no Kapoors, but
Kapoors.
Bollywood family.
Household name.
Household name.
Household name. See, I'm telling you कि इसके घर में he is the least popular person.
So he's the failed actor.
He's not a failed actor. He's
Oh,
the
he was a good
original.
actor,
He's a
but
no. He's a. I mean, see, back in the day, he was a good actor.
So he's like OG Arjun Kapoor kind of.
हाँ मतलब अगर
Not Arjun Kapoor is
okay he is a best clue right. अगर वो उसके ज़माने में सोशल मीडिया रहता था तो he would have been treated in a similar way as Arjun Kapoor.
Sorry all भाई. Abhishek Bachchan. This is fucking insane. It was right there.
Okay, man or a woman?
Man.
ऐसे why the hesitation?
Hey, man.
अच्छा no doubt ना?
No doubt, no
हाँ,
doubt.
ठीक है. Actor.
I mean, acting ही करता है वो अपने videos में, but no.
अच्छा not an actor. Indian?
हाँ.
Indian.
But nobody wants him to be an Indian.
ये मेरा वाला क्यों है सेम
But it is true.
अच्छा
It is true in my. It is true in this case.
अच्छा मतलब people would disown him ऐसे as an Indian like
कर ही देना चाहिए.
मतलब इंडियंस को चाहिए कि ये पर्सन इंडियन नहीं होना चाहिए ऐसा इन्फ्लुएंसर
हाँ.
हाउ फेमस इज ही
You hate him.
आई हेट हिम सो पॉलिटिकल
Around that area, but not politician.
कॉमेडियन
No.
आई यू पर्सनली नो दैट आई हेट दिस पर्सन
You absolutely hate him.
बट नॉट अ
I
पॉलिटिशियन
mean, it's disgrace कि तुझे आया है तेरे सर के ऊपर वो. That much you hate him.
इंडियन पुशिंग 40s राइट इंडियन पुशिंग 40s नॉट अ पॉलिटिशियन नॉट अ कॉमेडियन इन्फ्लुएंसर इज ही नोन फॉर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग लाइक यूट्यूब इन्फ्लुएंसर इंस्टाग्रामर
दोनों जगह.
Oh,
पे
fucking Dhruv Rathi. Oh! तो तूने एक मिनट रुक. I ask you कि वो इंडियन है कि नहीं. Why did you say yes?
ही इज इंडियन.
No, he's a German citizen.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
हाँ.
ये नहीं मालूम था मुझे.
So are you in love with this person?
No.
If I guess this person, will I land in trouble?
Yeah.
Female.
Obviously.
Is she known for nudity?
See, they call themselves influencers now.
Oh, like OnlyFans type of thing.
And she is on there.
But she's not known for OnlyFans.
No.
Wait a minute. ये जो औरत है, औरत राइट?
Obviously, हाँ.
क्या औरत का जो सरनेम है, ये नाम से बिल्डिंग भी है क्या? It's Mia fucking Khalifa.
It was very easy भाई. मतलब अरे वो बंदी है ना वो.
What the fuck is this photo?
मुझे 2 मिनट समझ में नहीं आया कौन है.
ये this is too good of a photo. Okay?
Exactly उसके.
समझ में नहीं आता. You have to use her OG stuff. ठीक है.
That is then going on OnlyFans.
Your turn.
Women, I am assuming she is a girl or.
Yes, girl. A girl or a woman. Woman I think is a better. Once upon a time she was a girl. Like
Wow.
everyone.
That is great. Great
clue.
Great clue.
Great clue. Okay, carry on.
So Indian.
Indian, yes.
Oh, similar industry.
No. Okay. So, let me put it this way, right? Like, if she was, then she would.
Oh, should have been like great.
But she's not.
I can't take any names now. समझ रहा है how bad that is. I just give up and walk out of here.
If बोला ना मैंने, if बोला.
भी बोला होगा तो भी
It's a
disrespect लगता है भाई.
To each his own. I mean, for some people, this is very respected profession.
It is respected profession.
For some people.
It is respected.
For you,
Obviously, it is respected profession.
to watch,
I don't watch all this.
you carry on.
मेरे गाँव तक नहीं पहुँचते सब content. Okay, so
Who is that?
Indian.
कौन है ये लोग?
Actress, I'm assuming.
Actress. I mean, kind of, but not known
Singer.
for. No, not singer.
Politician.
No. Politician, no.
What? Businesswoman.
She has businesses, but she's not a businesswoman.
But like she's like a actor. She's like acted
No,
in
she's
lot
not-
of movies or.
Not movies. No movies. No movies, right? No movies.
Radhika Apte?
No. I mean, good case, but I mean,
obvious reasons.
ask more questions. I think.
Obviously,
About her.
I don't know who it is. Why? Obviously, I will ask more questions.
अरे तो you are guessing
yeah.
name people
हाँ,
नहीं ना?
अभी
Ask
guess
more
तो
questions.
करूँगा ना. This is wild. So she based in Mumbai or North or
Mumbai.
influencer?
Yes.
She's like a proper influencer.
हाँ.
Urfi? This is dumb. This is very obvious.
Obvious. अच्छा, okay.
That's true as well.
I'm in love with this person.
I mean, she's hot.
Oh, so it's a she. Indian or Western?
Western.
Actress? Famous actress. How famous is she? Like 0 to 10 scale.
I mean, she's 10, but for very wrong reasons she is famous. I mean, she's very mid actor, but she is famous
But-
because of some other reasons.
अच्छा, okay. अच्छा, okay. Sydney Sweeney.
No.
Okay.
That's good.
That
That
would
is
have
good
been
actually.
good.
That
अच्छा,
is
in
good.
same category.
No, she's not that hot.
A grade actress.
No.
Okay, so B grade actress. But people would know. What kind of movies she makes?
Movies, like the famous movies that she has done is Around Water.
अच्छा, okay.
And her partner that she got in trouble with,
हाँ.
he has done lot of movies around water. That is good actually. That is crazy सोचा मैं. ऐसा talented
She
हो भाई,
got
crazy हो गया.
in trouble. No, she films movies around water.
फेमस मूवी जो अब तक उसने की है, लाइक बेसिकली जो से बहुत पैसे कमाए होंगे, दैट इज जस्ट अराउंड वाटर.
Plus 40, not known for acting but other stuff. And
अदर स्टफ के लिए नोन है वो, मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड के लिए.
अच्छा, oh, black or white?
वाइट.
अच्छा, white plus 40. Hot,
आई लाइक हर.
but in
In general,
you
yeah,
like
she
lot of
is
weird
hot.
stuff, but
Yeah.
like
In general, she is hot.
In general, she's hot.
कुछ भी मत बता भाई ऑडियंस को ये सारे
ठीक है. Plus 40 likes movie done movies around water. You know about the
You
controversy.
know means you are sending me everything about it. तू नहीं मेरे को लिंक भेजा था, देख देख लाइव चल रहा है, देख देख लाइव चल रहा है, इतने बजे चालू होगा, उतने बजे चालू होगा. तेरे वजह से तो फॉलो किया है मैंने पूरा. तो मुझे तो मालूम भी नहीं था क्या चल रहा है.
British.
शी इज ब्रिटिश आई थिंक तू गेस नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ ना तो मैं आई विल हेल्प यू.
Okay.
सो इट वाज अ कोर्ट केस.
Oh, Amber fucking heard. Aquaman was the thing.
एंड अपना क्या पायरेट्स ऑफ द
Pirates
कैरिबियन.
of the Caribbean. Oh my god.
That was the easiest clue.
Go ahead, na.
Am I a man or a woman?
You are a woman.
I am not, but you get the point.
I mean,
क्लैरिफाई करना पड़ता है भाई आजकल सब कुछ. वेस्टर्न मैं अज्यूम कर रहा हूँ. इंडियन.
Western.
अमेरिकन.
American through and through.
अमेरिकन थ्रू एंड थ्रू. सो एक्ट्रेस.
No, she wants to be, but she's not an actress.
शी वांट्स टू बी बट शी सिंगर.
He knows her, right?
No, you know her.
Assumed he.
आई नो हर.
Or you know her, or you know someone who knows her, but you would know once
Wow.
if you see the photo, you would know.
Obviously. Is she hot?
Can I answer that question? I mean, I won't say she's like a 10 or something, but in this photo, she is an 8 or something. But in other places, she can be below that as well. I mean, you are not playing this game, okay? Don't give clues. But okay.
Plus body shaming.
I mean, that is
Address करते हैं हम ये
India.
सब. Very
You can
woke
do,
channel.
you can do it.
True. Actually,
You are the
I
fat
can do
pass.
it. Yes.
But okay, please carry on.
So you said that I might know her husband or partner or
Yes.
he's famous.
He was famous.
Actor.
Not an actor.
Politician.
Not. I mean, he would have been a politician.
When was the controversy?
Last year. Everyone, even people in India, knew about the controversy or what happened. It was that big.
तो normal human explain कर रहा है ये politician.
I'll tell you, na. Before the controversy, she was a normal, human, and then after that controversy, she went like this.
Erika Kirk.
Yes.
ये बहुत easy था यार. This is crazy.
What gave it away?
Because before the controversy she was no one.
No one.
And after that her career is just going like this.
I made it easy for you actually. But
Actually.
fucking Amber Heard. Alright, that was fun. If you guys like this episode, comment करो, हम लोग और बनाएंगे.
Yeah.
So that was fun, right?
Tell us और कौन से लोग करने हैं.
नहीं वो कैसे comment में बताएंगे तो we would know ना.
Comment बताएंगे तो भी लगा देंगे ना अलग अलग.